guys, it's Mr. Charles. I'm at the bank because they tried to charged me an overdraft fee of $28 because I used my PayPal to rent Late in America, and I've never had this problem before, so I don't see why I'd be having it now, seeing as I bought a movie for 2 days, and yeah, it definitely shouldn't have come out of my bank account. It makes no sense to me at all. I've used PayPal hundreds upon thousands of times, and now that they're pulling this bullshit, what the fuck is that all about? So, yeah, I'm gonna go into the mid-Minnesota and get that shit taken care of. Well, the lady that was working was able to refund me the $25. I just have to go home and transfer $3.25 into my account because Google, although they take PayPal, they pull directly out of your bank account, which makes zero fucking sense to me. Because I use PayPal all the fucking time and I've never had that problem. So, fuck Google and their stupid fucking, oh, we'll take PayPal. This is why I have problems with people in PayPal nowadays. It's distrustful now. I use it all the time though, but I still love it. And I also hate it. Fuck faces.
Pretty necklaces is what I was saying.
It feels so good, does it?
No, it doesn't.
Are you afraid now?
Well, I'm in Devin's car, as you can tell by the crappy Buick look. Mom had to run into the bank real quick to get some money because we're gonna buy a recliner at the Mercantile. Maybe they'll have some comic books there that I want. I don't know. I haven't bought a comic book in like 2 years since I sold them all to the lady that's there. So, you know, I'll buy, see if they got any comic books there that I want to buy. Buy it, read it, start collecting them again. Because I think in the span of like 6 months that I was buying comic books, I bought like 600 comic books, and I had a pretty decent collection going on, and I sold them all back to her for like a quarter of the price. So yeah, but I'm droning on. I'm waiting for Mom to get out of the goddamn bank so I can go back home and watch more Rick and Morty.
United says they are saddened by the news.
As Christians, about 36% of adults with college degrees report attending a worship service.
Well, I'm just waiting for Mom to get off the computer so I can edit a video for Sir Charles Talks, because I was testing out my new camera for that, and I just end up using that as the camera that I do for this. The vlogs, I mean, people still watch these, I guess, but because I guess my phone isn't too bad, but I mean, sometimes it's a bad fucking feed for some reason. Like, I can see it's grainy right now. But yeah, I'm going to be editing a video together and then posting that on Sir Charles Talks. So, watch that, because, yeah, it's just more just me talking to a camera, like I'm doing right now. So, I mean, it's no different. But, yeah, Sir Charles Talks.
XL/NY New York style pizza, just $7 for an extra large.
Going outside without shoes on. There's little to no snow left. But there is mud. Yay, my sunglasses. So I'm sitting there editing a video, and I turn around, and this is what I see. I'm gonna sit on the floor. We got a deaf kid sleeping. He's snoring too.
But it's the human touch that creates design with feet, creating a form that appeals to your heart.
Why are we so passionate about perfecting designs by hand? Because driving matters. Introducing the all-new Mazda CX-5.
Stop fucking licking me. I'm trying to make fun of the deaf kid.
I will never wash my hair again. I will
Get off of me, everyone. Sasha, fuck off. I'm gonna call it a vlog for today. Didn't really do much. I'm eating gummy bears, sour gummy bears, but they're as hard as chewing rubber. And they're not even sour. What the fuck's the point of calling them sour? But if you like this vlog, like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend, and yeah, just I don't really know what to say. Sir Charles out.